Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. One of the highlights of this SUV is the low mileage. It has just over 57,000 kilometers. It has a 2.4 liter four-cylinder engine that's going to give you good acceleration on the highway. It is a True North edition, so that adds several exciting features that we'll take a look at on the inside. It is certified pre-owned, and it has a clean Carfax, meaning it has no previous accidents or incidents that have been reported. So let's take a closer look at the interior. Starting at the rear of the vehicle, we do have a power lift gate, which you can access on your key fob, as well as the button on the gate itself. Opens to a very generous cargo space, and you do have your spare tire below and some additional space for smaller items if necessary. The 60-40 split folding rear seats is handy, especially if you have longer items, skis, lumber, etc. That makes it very convenient to put those items in there. This Equinox has the two-tone leather seating surfaces with the option of pulling down the center console with cup holders if you don't need the third seat. Lots of generous leg room for rear passengers, as well as head space. Stepping into the front seat, these seats are extremely comfortable, as well driver will have power seats, so you can find your perfect spot. As far as technology goes, we do have navigation, which is very helpful, along with Bluetooth, so you can make those hands-free calls. You can access the controls right on your steering wheel, and you have your cruise control as well. One additional comfort feature is heated seats for driver and passenger. That is a must in the winter time. So that's a quick look at our 2015 Chevrolet Equinox, a very nicely equipped SUV, low mileage, great features that make it easily accessible, such as the power lift gate. So if you would like more information on this Equinox, please give us a call at 905-725-6501 or visit us online at OntarioMotorsales.com and set up a test drive and come experience the Equinox for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.